In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a username in Zoho Mail. This is a process you might find necessary for updating your team's email addresses to reflect new roles, organizational changes, or simply personal preferences. Let's get started on this straightforward process that should make managing your Zoho Mail accounts a lot easier. First things first, we're going to need to log in to the Zoho Mail admin console. To do this, make sure that you have either admin or super admin privileges, as these permissions are crucial for accessing and making changes within the admin settings. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard where you'll manage your users. This central hub serves as the command center for all configurations. From the dashboard, navigate to the Users section. This area lists all your current users, making it easy to find and select the specific person whose username or email alias you want to modify. Once you find the user in question, click on their name to access their profile. This will bring up various settings and options relating to that user's email account. Next, direct your attention to Mailbox Settings. Within Mailbox Settings, you'll see an option for Email Alias. An email alias is a secondary email address that can receive mail in the same inbox, making this a seamless transition for the user. Not forgetting that an alias doesn't replace the primary email. It simply offers another email address associated with the same account. Here, click on the Add button. You'll now be able to enter the new email alias. Remember, this alias should be in the format of, for example, newname@yourdomain.com. Make sure that it looks professional and follows your organization's naming conventions if applicable. Once you're satisfied with the alias you've created, go ahead and hit the Save button. At this stage, confirmation of the new alias integration into the user's profile is supposed to pop up. It's important to note that you can create multiple aliases for a single user, up to 30 per user if you're on one of Zoho's paid plans. This flexibility can be quite handy for different departments, roles, or projects that a user might be involved in. And there you have it. Now you know how to effectively change a username by setting up an email alias in Zoho Mail. This quick adjustment not only aligns with organizational needs, but also makes sure your email processes stay clean and efficient. Plus, this method is fully reversible and can be customized further should your organization's requirements change in the future. Thanks for watching this instructional video, and remember to check back often for more tips to streamline your workflow in Zoho Mail.